Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'd shared my unboxing experience of the Bombay Shaving Company Pro Beard Straightening Kit last week. Today, I'm here to tell you about my experience of using all the three products in the kit. Firstly, the beard shampoo and conditioner, the beard oil, and most importantly, the beard straightening comb. So without further ado, let's get on with it. So as you can see, this is my current beard after using the straightening kit that I tried all the three steps that have been advised by Bombay Shaving Company. Step number one was using this beard shampoo and conditioner. This is okay. I think a regular shampoo and a conditioner does the same job. So I don't see a point to this one. And the MRP for this is about 445 bucks. So value for money, I don't think so, because it's only 100 ml. And beard and shampoo conditioning is done by a regular shampoo for me. It works just fine for my beard. The next product was the beard oil. I think I liked woody smells, so this is cedar wood. So I think I can definitely recommend that you can buy this oil if you like that cedar wood and the woody scents. So the smell was really nice for me, but yeah, otherwise it's just a regular beard oil. And now coming to the main part of this video, which is this beard straightener. I'm not a big fan of this. I think it's a flop show for me. A lot of things did not go in the right direction for me. You can look at my beard. It's still frizzy, does not look great. It is not straightened out at all, maybe 5%, not more than that. The metal on this is not that great. It's not ceramic, it's plastic here. Even this plate got really hot while I was trying to use it after 5 to 7 minutes, so be careful of that. It does not have a different heat setting, it's only on one setting, so you can only just power on and power off, that's about it. Not a big fan of this. I think there are many other products to try beyond this, and I will come back to you with more reviews about those products. I get much better results with just a simple 1-inch dia round brush and a hairdryer. There's a link right here, you can check it out how I do it, and it works just fine for me. So friends, this was the very first product review that I've done for you guys. I hope you like it. Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Let me know if you want me to review any product that you would like me to talk about and experience, and then tell you if it's worth it or not. And remember, life is more fun when you're at the top of your game. Not like this.